My name is Megan Kingman and I work at CKS Main Street full-time. Man, I have the coolest job in Colorado. To be able to organize an event like this is just really the best. We had a really great turnout this year, tons of people showed up, and it's really neat to see all the different events that were covered, from land events, live music, beer gardens, libations, and then all the paddling sports, which is what Paddlefest is all about. You know, all the competitions, it draws such a great crowd, and there's so many people from all over the place that come to this event. What's really cool too is to see people from our town, Buena Vista, competing with some of the best people in the world and placing high in their competitions and just really turning out for the event. So.